Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to cut a crop top shirt. I'll be showing you how to cut a crop top shirt. Now look at the fabric in my hand. Can you see? This is a Kampala material, Kampala fabric, and here what you are going to do is that you are going to use the person bust measurements, your client bust measurements divided by 4 plus 3 inch to bring out your fabric. The person chest measurements divided by 4, that is what you are going to use to bring your fabric out. Then you are going to add 2 inch. Can you see? Look at it very well. I added 2 inch extra to the front piece because of the folding. You know, we are going to be folding the front for the button holes and stuff. And look at the fabric, is the back piece is folded into 2, while the front piece is folded into 2 as well. And the length I'm working with today is the top length of crop top length of 20. So the first thing I'm going to do is to measure out the person shoulder measurement. What is our shoulder measurement? Our shoulder is 16. 16 divided by 2 will give us 8. Then I'm going to plus half inch. Can you see? So I have 8.5 here. You are measuring that 8.5 from the back piece. So don't measure it with the extra that you do for the front piece. I hope you get it. See, I'm measuring it again for you to see. So whatever I use for the person shoulder measurement, that is what I always use for their armhole. So I use 8.5 for the shoulder. I use it again. Then I'm going to measure it right here again. 8.5. So just rule it like the way you see me doing in this video. Can you see? So I measure 8.5, 8.5, 8.5. Can you see? This is it, 8.5. Yeah. Then you are going to get the midpoint of this 8.5. So fold your tape measurement into 2 like this and mark it the way I mark it. After marking it, just the way you see me, mark half inch inward like so. Then you can take your French cuff. If you don't have French cuff, you can use your hand to do this. Just use your hand or your French cuff to connect it like so. Just connect it like this. Can you see? So you connect it like that. So after you are done connecting it like this, the next thing you are going to do is to measure out the person bust measurement divided by 4. Don't forget, you are dividing it by 4. Now this person, now our bust measurement is 44. 44 divided by 4 will give us 11. Then I will add 2 inch to it. Can you see? I added 2 inch. So I'm just going to rule it straight that if you are making a shirt, you don't need to do any shaping, except if you are making a fitted shirt. Don't misquote me. If you are making a fitted shirt, then you can measure the waist measurements and every other thing. So for the neckline, I'll be using 3. For the back neckline, 3 by 1. For the back neckline, I mark out 3 by 1 inch. Then for the let's first do the shoulder slope. For the shoulder slope, I make 1 inch. Don't forget to do your shoulder slope. It will make your dress to come out fine. You understand? Do your shoulder slope like so. Then for the front neckline, you know I said for the back neckline 3 by 1. Then for the front neckline 3 by 3. For the front neckline, so mark the front like so, 3 by 3. Can you see? It's very simple, super simple. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to cut it out. After cutting it out, I will first show you how you are going to cut your sleeve and how you are going to cut your sleeve. Then I will do another tutorial on how to cut your collar. I will show you how you are going to cut your collar in case you don't know how to cut your collar for this dress. You understand? Thank you. So just cut it like so. Now this is it. You are done cutting your shirt now. So you are going to cut the front piece as well. Just watch how I'm going to cut it. Can you see? Just cut the front piece 3 by 3. This 3 by 3 is a standard measurement. 3x3 is a standard for anybody, except if the person is very, very fat, then you can go ahead and add to it. So now, if you are cutting your armhole, your sleeve for a beginners, or you don't know how to cut your armhole, watch this particular place carefully. Look at it. Measure this place. Let me measure it for you to see. So just place your tape measurements and measure it all around like this. So here I have 11 inch. Can you see? I have 11 inch at this place. Very simple. Then the next thing we are going to do now, here is the fabric I want to use for the sleeve. So just like I was saying, here is the fabric I'll be using for the sleeve. Can you see? So I'm going to fold it. I'm just looking at the way I'm going to fold it. Yes, I think it's enough like this. Then I'm going to cut this piece away. Don't worry, I will tell you the measurement I'm using for the sleeve. Can you see? So this is it. You are going to get a fabric, fold it the way you see me folding here in this tutorial. Can you see? I'll tell you the measurements after folding it. So this is it. I'm opening it again. This is this. Let me measure it for you so that I'm just trying to, like, here I have 22.5 here. Can you see? 22.5 by 17, I think. 22.5 by 17.5. 22.5 by 17.5. So after that, I said 22.5 by 17.5, right? And don't forget that when we were measuring it, we measure 11. Now to get your 11, at this point, come down by 4 inch. Let me measure the fabric for you. See, I have 11 here, and here I have 8.5. For the length of the sleeve, I have 8.5. For the wideness of the sleeve, I have 11. Then I come down with a 4 inch here. Now look at the way I'm going to do. See, this sleeve, you will need to get a paper, and you will need to do it like this for like 5 minutes. You will do it. If you don't get it, get another paper, cut it till you will get it. It's very simple, just the way it is. If you get it, you too, you will know that no, this is okay. I hope you understand. Now let's measure it just to confirm if it's enough for our round sleeve, round armhole. You see here I have 12, so it's enough. It's even more than enough. You understand? So for the round sleeve now, our round sleeve is 15, I think. Our round sleeve is 15 plus 1 inch for sewing allowance. So I'm going to connect from here to here. Can you see? Can you see that? So I'm going to go ahead now and cut it out. I'll go ahead and cut it out. I'm going to show you how you are going to join it with your, how you are going to sew it. I will be showing you step by step on. See, we have different ways of sewing. Personally, I have different ways of sewing a sleeve to my dress. So I will show you one of the ready to wear, how to do ready to wear. I will show you one of the ways to join it with your dress. I can show you like 3 ways like that, sir. So you will now choose the best one that you think it works perfectly for you. You can now choose that. I hope you understand. So this one now for the sleeve, I want to do a flip up on the sleeve. I'll show you what I mean by a flip up sleeve. So because I want to do design for this is a client dress, so I'm going to, it's going to have a flip up. I'll show you how to do that in the sewing tutorial.